welcome back to my channel. We are continuing my decluttering makeup series here, so if you want to see more decluttering videos, then please keep watching. Okay everyone, we are back with another declutter video. This one is going to be like two different categories in one because I have mascaras here and I have liquid eyeliners here. I know the mascaras aren't going to take me very long at all, so I thought it'd just be best to combine these two. So I think we're going to start with mascara first. So I don't have that many mascaras. Here, it might be like, excuse me? That's a lot of mascaras. But a lot of these are old ones, ones I've used up. Sometimes I save mascaras just so I can like use the wand for comparison of other ones. So a lot of these are old. So we're gonna start just taking all these out. Okay, so these are all my mascaras here. I do have quite a few, but first off, I do have quite a few of these that are not good any longer. This one I really loved. This is from Wander Beauty. This one's called the Volume and Curl Mascara. I really like this one. I did get it from a BoxyCharm. This one kind of has like a spoon shape, you know, it's got that like slight dip of a curvature to it. I really like this one, but this one I used up probably a couple years ago. I don't know why I still hang on to these, but this one's definitely ready to go in the trash. That one is done. This one here, this was one from Skin Food. I did not care for this one at all. This one's called the Viva Volume Mascara. This one, I really just did not like the brush of this one. If you can tell, it has like really wide gaps between it and it's like a spiral one. This was just not a good mascara at all. I did not like the brush at all. I feel like with mascaras there's pretty much just two components to it, whether it's going to be a good mascara or not, and that is the brush and the formula. And if I do not like the brush, it does not matter what the formula is like to me because I will not enjoy it. So that one is definitely one I did not like, and that one is definitely old, needs to go. Another old one I did not care for. This one was another BoxyCharm one I got. This one was from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This one was just called the Volumizing Mascara. Again, I did not enjoy the brush of this one. It just reminds me of those like old school mascara brushes from like the 80s. No good at all. It kind of bothers me when companies just don't even bother to like make a decent brush. So that one's definitely going. This one I held on to. I actually did kind of like this mascara. This one's from Trestique. They called this the Good Vibes Mascara. This one actually was cool because it had a little eyelash curler on the top part of it. Oh, like that. I couldn't remember how to use it. The idea of this was super cool. I loved the idea of having your mascara and your eyelash curler all in one. The only problem I didn't like about this though was that this is so narrow. You couldn't like get your entire eyelash into this. Like you'd have to like do the outer half and then do the inner half separately, and I didn't like that about that, but I loved the idea and the concept behind this. I just wish it would have like, I don't know, worked out a little bit better. As far as the mascara, I did really like this one. I like the brush of it. This one is very similar to the Better Than Sex mascara brush and the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I really enjoyed these types of kind of like hourglass shaped brushes, so I did really like this one, but I feel like the packaging is really bulky and kind of wasteful because now that this is done, I'm throwing away this entire, you know, like eyelash curler product. So that's kind of why I kept it for so long, but honestly, I don't know what I would do with this. I don't even care for the actual curler on here, but I liked the idea behind it and I liked that. Okay, moving on. We have this one. I am not gonna get rid of this one just because the packaging of it is so pretty. This one was from Pretty Vulgar and they call this one the Feathers Mascara. I do believe I bought this one with my own money. I don't think I got it like in a BoxyCharm or anything. Packaging, it's beautiful. I can't remember what the brush looks like. Let me see. Oh, that's right. This one kind of had, again, that kind of like curved like spoon wand shape. I remember that the formula of this one was very thick and I felt like it kind of like would glue my lashes together. So I didn't love the formula of this one. I didn't love the brush of it either, but the packaging of this is so beautiful. I don't have the heart to throw this out. So we're gonna keep this just for like a nostalgic prettiness factor. So that one's gonna stay. But of course, I'm never gonna actually use it on my eyes again. Okay, moving on. This one was from, what brand was this? This one was from Apu. This one I thought was kind of cool because it had two different ones in here. It's called the Lash Master Dual Mascara. And so you'd have one on this side for your upper lashes. And this one actually still seems like not dried out or anything. I definitely probably wouldn't use this one because it's so old. Again, it has that like slight curved of a spoon shape for the upper ones, and then on the other side it has one for your under eyes, and it's kind of got this like really teeny tiny baby one. So it's easier for like getting those teeny tiny lashes. So I always liked the idea of this one. I thought it was really cool having like the two different brushes in one product. So I really like this one. I can't remember what I thought about the actual formula of it. I kind of want to hang on to it though, even though this one's really old. I don't know. I probably won't use it, but I did like the concept of it, so I think I'm just gonna hang on to it just for that. Moving on, this was one that was sent to me in PR from Yes Style. This one was a Japanese mascara, I believe. This one's called Heroin Make Long and Curl Mascara, super waterproof. You guys, this one I did not like at all. This one, like I said, it was sent to me. This one, it kind of has, again, that like slightly curved spoon shape. And what I did not like about this one, it was so incredibly hard to remove. Like yes, it is a super waterproof one, but oh my god, I felt like it was nearly impossible for me to remove from my lashes, and I don't have many lashes, so I can't afford to rip any of them out while I'm trying to get my eye makeup off. So this one I'm just gonna get rid of. I wouldn't pass this on to anyone else. It's not good to share any mascaras or anything like that, so this one is just a no-go for me, so no thank you. This is actually an eyelash serum from Etude House. I haven't used this in quite a while. I kind of feel like, I don't know. I started using this and I almost felt like it made my eyelashes worse. I don't know if that's really a thing or not. But since I don't like this on my eyelashes, I do want to kind of give this a try on my eyebrows and see if maybe it will help like my eyebrows grow and stuff like that. So I kind of feel better about keeping it for that reason. Because this is a little bit older, I wouldn't mind it being on my eyebrows rather than like being in direct contact with my eyes. So as far as a lash serum, I don't really care for it for that, but I will give it a go on my brows and see if that helps. Okay, moving on to the last few here. I don't believe any of these have been used. I have a few sample mascaras here. I don't believe I've opened any of these. This one is the Clinique High Impact Mascara sample, so I'm gonna hang on to that one. This one is the Bare Minerals Strength and Length Serum Infused Mascara sample. Have not used that one either. So we're gonna keep that one. This one is like a teeny tiny one. This one is Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. So we're gonna keep that one. I'm pretty sure I got all these samples from like Sephora orders. And then the last little one I have here is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. So again, have not tried that one either. Okay, this one is a full-size one. This is the Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes. Again, I have not opened this one. I have a couple mascaras I'm trying to get through, and as soon as I finish those up, I think this might be the next one I want to try out. So that one is definitely going to stay. And the last one I have is this NYX Color Mascara in the color Blue. I don't even know if this is still good or not. It definitely kind of looks a little dried up, so I think we're gonna let that one go. Okay, so these are what I'm keeping and what I am getting rid of. So I'm getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mascaras. And I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mascaras. So again, most of these were old ones that just need to get thrown away anyway, but I do have a handful of completely brand new unopened ones and just 2 that I'm keeping just for like sentimental reasons or informational purposes. So now we're gonna move on to the liquid eyeliners in here. I feel like we're gonna get rid of a lot, I hope. I kind of need to, so we're just gonna go ahead and start on these. Okay, we have all kinds of eyeliners here. We've got glitters, we've got colors, we've got all kinds of stuff. So we're just gonna start off. Let's just start with these Lime Crime ones. I have had these for so long. I don't know if any of these are gonna still be good. If any of them are still good, I might keep some. But honestly, I don't know. Is this still good? Okay, that silver is still good. And the only thing I hate though is the brush is kind of frayed, but so far I think I'm gonna keep that one. I don't really have many silver eyeliners either. So this next one is called Blue Milk, and these are so old they don't even sell these anymore. wow, I am kind of impressed that that is still good. So I do want to keep that one. Again, it's so unique. You don't really see those a lot. And these are so small, they don't take up a whole lot of room, so I can kind of have a little bit more leeway with these. This one is the purple one called Orchidaceous. This one, okay, there we go. We've got a dried up one, so that one's no good. We are just going to toss that one. So that one's gonna get in our get rid of pile. We'll start a new pile over here. Okay, the next one is called Lazuli. I don't know, this one might be dry. Let's see. Oh wow, that one is actually not dry. I thought it would be, just from how it looks like in the tube, but you guys, that one's still kind of kicking. So okay, we're gonna keep that one. This one's such a cool color. I really hope this one isn't dried up. This one's called Citrus, and it's like this lime green kind of color. Let's see. Yeah, that one's still going. So yeah, we're gonna keep those as well. So only one of those are gonna get trashed. Okay, these are kind of interesting. These are from Prestige. It's called the Total Intensity Against All Odds. This one is in the color Around the Clock. I don't know if this one's any good. This one has like a felt tip one. Let's see. Okay, that one is still okay, but it's kind of watery. It's kind of like bleeding a bit. I don't know if I want to keep this one. I feel like shaking it up. I don't know. It's kind of watery. I think this one just needs to go. It's definitely older too, so that one needs to go. Man, the two purple ones are not hanging in there. Okay, and then the same brand. This one is in the color BFF. This one was like a pretty turquoisey one. I wonder if this one's still good. Let's see. That one is kind of pretty, but again, it's kind of watery. I just don't think I want that. So we're gonna let that one go too. Okay, let's keep going with the colored ones while we're at it. So this one is from NYX. This is the Vivid Brights in Vivid Blossom. This one could be a really pretty color. Nope, that one is completely dried up, like gross, ew. Okay, purples are not having a good day, so that one we are getting rid of. Okay, another NYX one. This is the Glam Liner Aqualuxe Waterproof. This one is in the color, this one's called Glam Lagoon. Let's try this one. And let's see. Okay, that one is dried up too. I mean, it's coming off a little bit, but that's pretty much dried up. So that one is going. Another NYX one. This is another one of the Aqualuxe. This one is in the color GLA07. I don't know if this one has a name. Yeah, I'm not seeing the name on this one. It's like a nude glitter one. So let's see. Nope, dried up. So another one that is going in the trash. This is why I try to not go crazy on liquid liners, because you know they just never last. This one, I don't think this one is gonna last. This one's called the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This one's in the color turquoise. I think this one had felt. Yep, felt. Ooh, okay, that one is still going. I'm very surprised by that one, so I will keep that one. Okay, this next one is an Urban Decay one. This is the 24/7 waterproof eyeliner in the color Woodstock. This one was like hot pink glitter, so let's see what this one is like. Still going. It is a little bit on the watery side, but not nearly as bad as those ones from Prestige, so I think I want to keep that one. How often am I going to use a pink glitter eyeliner? I don't know, but it still looks good. Okay, next one. This one is definitely old. This one is the Sephora Pantone Universe. This one I think was in the color, it was like that purple color, Radiant Orchid. So whatever your Radiant Orchid was from, this is the eyeliner from that collection. I will be very surprised if this one's not dried up. Ooh, okay, yep, that one's ready to go. The brush is all mangled and everything, so yep, that one, it's another one that's going. Okay, moving on to more of the colored ones. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner Liquid one in the color A Case of Blue. I really hope this one's good because I love this powder blue kind of color. So let's see. Ooh, that one. Okay, this one is starting to get a little chunky, but I think I can still keep it. I think I can still use it. So we're gonna keep the next blue. Again, this is also Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This one is in the color Voltage Blue. Let's see about that one. Okay, that one is also kind of about the same. This one's a little bit of a darker blue too. That one's still, ooh, that's still pretty. I want to keep it. It probably won't hang on for much longer, but I just kind of want those. And this one, again, Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This one is in the color Violet Revolution. Let's take a look at this one. Ooh, that one looks really good. Okay, this one is like pretty good. So we're gonna keep that one, especially since I've gotten rid of all of my other purple liners. This is kind of like the only like pinky purple I have left, so we're gonna keep that one. Okay, these are from AOA Studio. These I got at Shop Miss A. These are the Stellar Holographic eyeliners. This one is in the color Comet. That one, it's kind of That one's kind of chunky. We're gonna let that one go. It's just old, and honestly, I don't really feel like these worked that great when I first got them either. This one's in the color Alien. Let's see if that one is any good. Nope, same thing. Very kind of chunky, not dealing with that one, so that's going. Then we have the AOA Starlit one. This is in the color Golden Girl. This is a really pretty color. I hope this one's still good. Nope. I mean, I can kind of work with that one, but honestly, this one's dried up, so that one's going. Okay, then we have, okay, this one was a product I got from BoxyCharm. This one was from Butter London. It's called the Stroke of Wow Roll-On Eyeliner. I think MAC originally came out with these, and if you're not familiar, it's basically a little eyeliner wheel that looks like a tiny pizza cutter. I never could get this to work. This was like not a good formula to begin with. This is kind of like a weird thing to even come up with. I don't know. That one is just going in the trash. It's not good at all. This one was from Makeup Revolution. This was called I think it was called like the Renaissance Flick. I heard so many people like used to love this one, and I got it and I feel like I really didn't care for it very much. Let's see if it's any good at all now. Oh, God, I can't get the cap off here, my goodness. Okay, let's see. We're running out of real estate. Nope, that one is dried up. That one is going as well. Wow, this is a really easy one. Okay, we have the Palette Paint Liner from Misha. This one I think is still good. This one's like a cream gel eyeliner. I don't have a brush to test this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it for now. It feels like it's still good in here. It doesn't feel all dried up, so I'm just gonna go on a leap of faith for that one. Okay, and now we have 4 glitter eyeliners. I really don't have a whole lot of glitter eyeliners anymore. Like that used to really kind of be my thing before glitter eyeshadows really kind of came out, so I don't have as many as I used to. This one is from Warpaint Beauty, and this one is in the color Pixie. It's a pink color. I have no clue what this is gonna be like. Nope. That one is going. It's like too chunky, too dried up. So that's going. I'm sure this one probably will too. This one is in the color Tidal Wave. Same brand. And yeah, this is like body glitter consistency. I just don't know how I would use this one. So that's unfortunate. Those are really pretty colors, but I don't know. Honestly, I haven't done glitter eyeliner in a long time. These I think I got from Sally Beauty. They are from the brand, these are from Femme Couture. It's so hard to read the color of this because the packaging, the print is like the exact same gold color as the eyeliner, so it's very hard to read. I do not know what colors these are. They are 2 different ones. I believe they're 2 different ones. They're looking very similar now. Let's see if these are any good. That one's actually kind of still pretty. It's easy to use. Okay, might hang on to that one. That one's kind of pretty. And then we've got this other one. I feel like the colors of these have kind of changed just a little bit, but they're still really pretty. I don't know. I probably should get rid of these, but I kind of want them. Okay, so these are everything that we are keeping. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 that we are keeping. And the ones that we are getting rid of, quite a few. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So keeping 12, getting rid of 14. That's definitely good. A lot of these needed to go, so I feel very good about this one. And yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys have been enjoying my makeup declutters. And if you want to see more of them, I will have them linked below. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.